Welcome to a journey of understanding and mastering self-control. It's a skill that may seem simple on the surface, but it holds immense power to transform our lives in numerous ways. Throughout this course, we'll uncover the details of self-control, its profound impact, and practical strategies to cultivate it. So, what is exactly self-control? We can think of it as the ability to manage our impulses, emotions, and behaviors in alignment with our long-term goals and values. It's about choosing actions that lead to lasting satisfaction and well-being rather than seeking for immediate gratification or fleeting desires. Self-control actually isn't about willpower. It's a complex skill involving our thoughts, feelings, and actions. It's about recognizing when we're tempted to deviate from our chosen path, resisting those urges, and staying focused on what truly matters. The power of self-control transforming your life. Why is self-control such a big deal? The answer lies in the countless benefits it brings to our personal and professional lives. The first benefit is improved well-being. Self-control empowers us to make healthier choices, manage stress effectively, and cultivate the emotional resilience. By resisting the unhealthy habits and prioritizing self-care, we actually enhance our mental and physical health, leading to a greater sense of overall well-being. Secondly, you can build stronger relationships. When you practice self-control, we're less likely to react impulsively in challenging situations. This leads to more thoughtful communication, increased empathy, and stronger connections with others. Whether it's resolving conflicts or expressing the appreciation, self-control fosters positive interactions. Another benefit of self-control is reaching your goals. Self-control is the fuel that propels us towards our goals. It enables us to stay focused, overcome any obstacles, and persevere in the face of setbacks. Whether you're striving for career advancement, personal growth, or creative endeavors, self-control is your unwavering companion. The fourth benefit of self-control is financial security. In today's consumer-driven society, impulsivity spending can derail our financial goals. Self-control empowers us to make sound financial decisions, save for the future, and avoid the pitfalls of instant gratification. Last but not the least, self-control allows us to develop enhanced decision-making skills. Life is full of choices, both big and small. Self-control allows us to pause, reflect, and consider the long-term consequences of our decisions. By carefully weighing our opinions, we increase our chances of making choices that align with our values and lead to positive outcomes. Self-control in your daily life, the real-world applications. Let's look at some of the real-life situations where self-control shines. The first situation where self-control is beneficial is in managing the procrastination. We all have tasks that we would rather avoid. Self-control actually allows us to overcome the procrastination, tackle those tasks head-on, and experience the satisfaction of accomplishment. Secondly, self-control proves invaluable in controlling emotions. When faced with frustration, anger, or disappointment, self-control helps us pause, assess the situation, and respond in a calm and constructive manner. This prevents escalating the conflicts and fosters the healthier relationships. Furthermore, self-control is essential in building healthy habits, whether it is establishing a consistent sleep schedule, eating nutritious food, or exercising regularly. Self-control is essential for forming and maintaining the healthy habits that support our well-being. Lastly, for individuals facing difficulties, self-control is a powerful tool in the journey towards a better life. It enables them to resist unwanted behaviors, make healthier choices, and build a fulfilling life. The path ahead, your self-control journey. Throughout this course, we'll explore self-control in detail. Just remember, self-control isn't about perfection. It's about progress. It's about making conscious choices, learning from setbacks, and consistently striving to align your actions with your values and goals.